Hello kids, so today we will start with grade 7th math. Till now we have done grade 6 math, okay, because it was revision and you needed it to start with grade 7 math. So we will start with chapter number 2, okay, which is multiplication and division of integers. We will do chapter number 1 later. So in grade 6 you have already done addition and subtraction of integers. In grade 7 we will take this forward and we will learn multiplication and division of integers. Okay, so I will turn the signal to red. I will do. You will just need to see right now. I will give you the time to write. Okay, so let's understand multiplication of integers in this video and division we will do later. Okay, so we will start with multiplication of integers. Okay, so there are some rules to be followed. So once you remember the rules, you will be able to solve a number of questions. So let's see. First type of question: if you have to multiply two positive integers, okay, there is one positive integer and you are going to multiply or find the product with another positive integer. Okay, take for example 4 into 2. What is the answer? 8. You are correct. 16 into 4, 64. This is when you are multiplying two positive integers. Both are positive. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 16 plus 4. Okay, so when you multiply two positive integers, you get a positive integer. Okay, this is positive. I will be using the sign now. Okay, you are going to get a positive integer as the answer. See, 8 is positive, 64 is positive. Now we will jump to next kind of multiplication of integers if both the integers are negative. Okay, look carefully. If both are negative, so if I take minus 6 into minus 8, okay, first step is forget the sign, forget the minus sign. Okay, so first rule I will write. First rule: while multiplying two negative integers, forget minus sign. Okay, you just need to multiply the two numbers. What is 6 into 8? Yes, you are right, 48. Okay, and this is your answer. That is, when you multiply two negative integers, you are going to get a positive integer. These are negative and what you get is positive. Okay, so when you are going to multiply two negative integers, what you are going to do, you are going to forget the negative sign in front of them. You are just going to multiply the numbers and whatever answer you get is your final answer. So if you multiply two negative integers, negative into negative, you get a positive integer as the answer. Okay, remember this: negative into negative, positive, and the first one positive into positive, also positive. So this is easy to remember, right? So I want you to pause the video for 1 minute, take a break, note it down and recall. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, coming back, I will clear the screen. I will take one more example. Okay, say for example minus 5 into minus 12. First rule: forget the sign. Forget the sign, just multiply the numbers. That is 5 into 12, which is 60, and this is your final answer, which is positive. Why is it positive? Because multiplication of two negative will give you a positive. Okay, so remember the rule: if you multiply a negative integer with another negative integer, you are going to get a positive integer. Okay, I will clear this and we will move to third. Okay kids, let's start with the third one. When you have to multiply a positive integer with a negative integer. Okay, that is positive into negative. For example 4 into minus 12. So the first rule is again the same. First rule, which is ignore the sign. Okay, ignore the sign. When you ignore the sign, you just have to multiply the two numbers. That is 4 into 12, which is 48. Correct. And then what you need to do is just put a negative sign in front of the answer, and this is your final answer. That is 4 into minus 12 is minus 48. So when you multiply a positive with a negative, you get a negative integer. Okay, so positive into negative is equal to negative. Let's do one more. For example, 18 into minus 3. What you will do? Yes, you're right. Multiply. Ignore the sign first, then multiply, and then just put a minus sign in front of the answer, because positive into negative is negative. Positive into negative is equal to negative. Okay. Now let's do the last type of multiplication, that is negative into positive. It is same like the third one, only the order is reversed. How? Here it was positive into negative, here it is negative into positive. That is negative into positive. Okay, so take for example, you have minus 8 into 9. Again, first rule same, that is ignore the sign and just multiply. Your answer is 72, correct. And then what you need to do, just put a minus sign in front of it. This is your answer. So positive into negative and negative into positive both will give you negative answer. Okay, here also it was negative, here also it is negative. Take one more, minus 11 into 10. Okay, you will ignore the sign and just multiply. So 11 into 10, 110, and then just put a negative sign in front of it. So this is your answer. Negative into positive will give you negative integer as the answer. So negative into positive is equal to negative. Okay, so there are four types of questions we have discussed. Positive into positive integer, which will give you a positive integer. Negative into negative, again that will give you a positive integer. Third, positive into negative, that will give you a negative integer. And the fourth one, negative into positive, that will give you a negative integer. So two cases where you get positive answers and two cases where you get negative answers. Okay, so now I'll give you some questions to do. Okay, take 1 minute to note this down and then we will come back. Your time starts now. Okay, coming back, I will clear the screen. Before giving you do, I will just make a summary. Okay, I will just give you the summary so that it will be easy for you to follow the rules. First one, positive into positive, you will get positive integer. Second, negative into negative, you will again get a positive integer. Third, positive into negative, you will get negative integer. And fourth one, negative into positive, you will get negative integers. So two cases of positive and two cases of negative. You have to do the normal multiplication you do. Just you need to remember is the signs, what signs you are going to put. So 2 positive will give you a positive, 2 negative will give you a positive, positive and negative will give you negative, negative and positive will give you negative. Okay, so take 30 seconds and note it down, then I will give you questions for you to. Your time starts now. Great, I will clear the screen. Questions for you do. Okay, question is multiply, that is multiply the integers a, b, c, d, e. First is minus 5 into minus 7, then minus 9 into 6, then 9 into minus 4, then you have minus 124 into minus 1, and last minus 63 into 7. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is you have to multiply. I will give you one more. Okay, if we have done two negative, let's do two positive also, that is 12 into 10, and one more is uh, let's go for positive into negative. Okay, so 8 into -7. Okay, so these are some 7 questions. Okay, total 7 questions that you have to do. Remember the 4 rules and do it. Make the column for rough work. Take good 30 seconds to note it down and then start doing your work. Thank you.